Trader. Now the pitch is closed here at 2:30, and that was about 5 minutes ago. So we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels are posted along with the EIA report. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily and your weekly chart. Now, let's just do a little quick review here. I've been pointing out this candle right here, okay? This is 74.91. Now, you can see if you take the line all across, okay, you can see how right here it's been holding it. Yeah, it went below it, but it didn't close below it. That's very, very key. Is that 74.91 here. Now, here on the upside, the key level here is this 8 SMA. Now, you're slightly above right now. Real time, it's 77.89. But that is key, that 21 SMA. That is going to be very, very key level there. Okay, so let's just look at the upside first. Okay, so look at that 77.69. And then we want to look here at this 200-day, 78.14. Very, very crucial. And then we come over to the 50-day here, 78.33. Very, very crucial, okay, resistance level. So you got a lot of big time resistance. You got your 21-day, your 200-day, and here we have your 50 SMA. Now, again, if we can clearly get above that, then we just come to this candle right here. You're looking at 78.77, and then we have here, you're looking at 79.77, and then we look to the bottom, you're looking at 80.10. And then this is going to be very, very crucial here, this 81.07. Again, if you can get above that, then what we have, the next level here is 82.52 here. You got your 21-day here at 82.67, and then 83.16. That is your upside. That's all going to be hinged basically on this 21-day, this 200-day, and this 50-day here. Okay, now remember that OPEC meeting is coming out tomorrow. So we got to see. It looks like it's going to be a virtual meeting. It's not going to be in person, but you know, Saudi Arabia wants a cut. They want to try to hold all the way through, you know, till springtime here on an extra 1 million barrels per month. But they want other people to help them along here. But the African nations, you know, they don't pump that much, so they said, well, geez, we can't afford to do that. Let's just, we're gonna pump a little bit more. So very, very difficult. But I'm sure they'll get some kind of a solution going here. They want absolutely higher prices, okay? So what we want to do here is we don't care if it's long, if it's short, that makes no difference. That's why we trade the charts here, okay? So again, on the upside, watch your 21-day, watch your 200 SMA here, watch this key 50 SMA. If that gets above, bottom line, that 8 SMA there, that is going to be your target, okay? Now, on the downside here, watch this 8 SMA here, okay? Very key. This is 76.62. Now, you're still in a downtrend here. Until you can get rocketing above this 200-day, you're still in a downtrend here, okay? And then what you really have to do is you got to get above this candle here, and that would change the trend, all right? So my bottom line here, watch this key 8 SMA, 76.62. Very, very key level here. And then if that is lost here, look at today's low. Okay, so you're looking at 75.67, and then look to this candle right here. That's at 74.91. Okay, if that's lost, then we follow right here to the bottom here. You're looking at 74.64. You're looking at 74.06 here, and then we come down to this candle here at 73.79. You have let's see here, 72.91, and then you retest here at 72.37. If that's lost, we come right over here, 70.29, okay? So just, it's very, very simple here to trade the candle. So on this candle here, always look to the previous day's candle, the high, the low, the closing number. That'll give you a support and resistance. And your key resistance will, support and resistance will be your 8, your 21-day, your 50, your 100-day, and your 200-day. That will be your, very, very tougher resistance, because you can see even like this 8 SMA here. See how it went right on up here? Yeah, you went higher, but you didn't close above that. See how that is? So this got a little bit above it, but we're to go into the 200-day and then pull right back. So very, very strong resistance here on those SMAs here. So again, just watch these here on the upside, and on the downside, this is going to be key. That's 76.62. So we got to see how this is all going to shake out. Now remember, seasonality here is you want to really buy this the first week of December, ride it to the end of the year, basically the first within the first week of January, and then you either want to go, take your position off, go sideways until the end of February, and then go long, all the way to summer driving into end of September to hurricane season. Now, you look at your RSI here, you've got plenty of room to run up. Your MACD now is a nice cross above. Your green is above red. Looking very good here on this MACD on your weekly. Well, it's not headed right straight down. It looks like it might want to curl up here. So we got to see exactly. So the news is going to be very, very important here on what OPEC does. Now, the EIA report came out today, and wow, it was way, way different than the API yesterday. API had a bullish tone to it, but today this was totally bearish. You'll see at the end of this video here. Just look at the EIA report. Wow, you had builds right across the board here. It was looking pretty ugly here. So this is going to need some kind of a catalyst here to get this ripping here. So we'll see if that Saudi Arabia can do it. Now, again, I have been scalping here to UCO, and it was just a really great trade here. I sold it there at 30.50, and then I rebought it back at 29.25 here. I'm trading now 2,500 shares of it. So, and I'm still long here. So I'm up there another, about 1.25 there. Wow, that's even better than I thought it was. So that's on the second trade. On the first trade, I'm up there over a point there. So yeah, so that's looking really, really good here. So I got about 2.5 points there, 2.25 points. We'll see how it shakes out here today with 2,500 shares there now. So let's just take a look here now at the old natty gas. Okay, here we have natural gas, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. I put the monthly on here because this is what I want to show you right here for key support. Is this 2.77? That's going to be very, very crucial, okay? And it lines up with a lot of stuff here, especially like this 50-day 2.76 here. So you just got to keep that in mind here on this 8 SMA here, because see how nicely that it's been holding here. Now, again, when you look at this, this is a possible bear flag going here on the monthly, which could take this down much lower here. But as long as that 2.77 holds, then that would negate the old the pattern. Now, when you look at the daily here, look at this for today here. See, this is why you trade the charts. Okay, yeah, it rocketed up, but where did it go? Okay, you went right into the 100-day. Okay, you went right into your 8-day, sitting at basically 2.86. It can't get out. This is why you trade the charts here, okay? Because you know exactly where it's going. If you can get above that, then we can go higher, okay? But if you can't, well, then that's just how that goes. So bottom line here, let's just look at the downside here. So you want to look at this candle here. This is 2.78. You want to look at this 2.76 here, 2.77. That is going to be your key support levels here. Again, if that's lost here, then we want to do is go look that right here at this 270. If that's lost, you got basically 2.62. That is going to be your target here. On the upside, you got to get above this 2.86. That's all that matters here. The 2.86 here, okay? You got basically 2.86. So right here at the 8-day, basically 2.86. Okay, so if you can get above that, then what we can do is we can come to this candle here. You got 2.92, we got 2.95, and then we look at yesterday's high there at 2.99. And then your big target up here is going to be this 50 SMA here, sitting at 3.06. Then we come to the 8 SMA, 3.08, and then 3.11. But you can see your 21 days rollover. This 8-day is just on an absolute water slide right on down here. So unless it gets above this key level here, this 2.86 here, it don't mean dick. It's just not going to do it. See, this is why you always want to trade these charts and look at the charts. There's a lot of people that don't believe in the charts, but to me, this is how you trade. This is how you make the easy money here. So today was a really good scalp there. I scalped the UNG there. I scalped it twice. I got 10 cents out of that. I'm trading 15,000 shares. That was really good. I scalped the cold there today, and I got 2 points out of the cold. So actually, it's a really good, good trading day. You had that with the oil, and then I trade Tesla and TQQs and Amazon and anything that's moving. It was a really good trading day, as they say. Okay, so bottom line here on the upside, watch this 2.86. Very, very crucial. If you can get above that, then we know exactly where we want to go. Your big target here is going to be that 50 SMA at 3.06. Okay, on the downside here, well, watch this 50-day, 2.76 here, 2.77. Right that level right there. If that is lost, 2.7 is your target. If that's lost, 2.61, that is your target. Okay, so very, very simple there. Now your RSI here, well, you got room to run either direction here. You're still bearish here on your MACD. You're still on the downside. So we got to see where this all, going to shake out here. Now, tomorrow at 10:30, you'll have the EIA numbers here on the natty gas. And then, so we'll see what happens. And then Friday, you got your rig count there at 1 p.m. And then remember, Thursday, very, very key. Watch that OPEC. That's going to be a huge market mover. See what they have to say. All right. Thanks for watching.